In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Emma app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, for you to get the right Emma app, you need to go ahead and look for Play Store app on your Android smartphone, and you can see mine is here. Under this, go ahead and tap on search bar on top here or search icon down below to search for your app. So if I tap on this, I'll go ahead and just search the app by name and then tap on the search icon here and I'll be taken to Emma app. Now, to know that this is the right app, go ahead and open it. And then here you'll see all the details about this app. Make sure it is from Emma Live team. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.0 with over 92,000 reviews. And currently, this app has a file size of around 50 MBs with over 5 million downloads currently. So these statistics might have changed by the time you are watching this. If you see all these details, then you'll know that you have the right app. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Emma app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open from here, or if you go back to your apps, now you should see we have our Emma app here. Proceed and tap on it to open, and this is the welcoming interface. So that's how you can get and install the right Emma app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.